Okay, so good evening, everybody. It is 6:42 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday, May 19th, 2024. Chad Xavier Harris here, recording live. What's up, man? How you doing? What's up? What's up? So it's Chad Xavier Harris here, recording live from ATL GA USA Old National, aka Dirty Nat. Alright, so the regular forex market opened up. I didn't make a video when I did my last trade. Tron, Trxusd, the cryptocurrency, the 15-minute wave started to go bullish. So I I checked it right after I had made the last video saying how the sales were in profit, and something was telling me to check the 15-minute because I was just noticing that the price was going against my direction. And then I looked at the 15-minute on Trade Locker, and I had decided to add my CCI, my commodity channel index 20, which is the last box that says negative 25.42. At the far right of the screen, bottom right of the screen, you'll see the negative 25.42, negative 28.75. So this is the 2-minute chart, right? So this is for Nasdaq, Nas 100. This is the mini. They let me trade the mini. You see how much they charge me at the bottom in red. It says margin 0.55 cents. And I think the A stands for AUD because that's what I'm trading in, the equity. So I was stuck in 2 Nasdaq sales since Friday because I was in like a sell that was in profit. Then I got out and then I got back into them. And then over the weekend, I'm talking to Isaiah Hollywood Trades, right? And he's telling me how he scalps the Nasdaq 1-minute. So on Trade Locker, I'm operating one of his accounts, and I noticed he had the 2-minute on there. So I put the CCI on there all weekend, just looking at the Nasdaq frozen chart and noticing like, okay, I see what you're saying. Like this is where you scalp it. So basically, my system for it is that my CCI 20, when that goes negative after my CCI 200, the top line, the blue line above it, the lighter blue line is the 200. So when my 200 is positive like it just was, or like it is right now, the CCI 20 that would have been positive as well will eventually go negative, and that's what just happened. So we're just gonna run that play. So to get off of this for just a second, let me show you the Tron. See, the Tron just went into profit. What's up? What's up? What? What? What are you talking about? Oh, you found it. You found it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're in trouble now. So I was selling Tron, right? So you see I had a 0.05 in there and then a 0.02. So when I noticed it was going against me, I was like, I checked the 15-minute on investing.com and I checked the CCI 20 on the 15-minute on Trade Locker, and I saw that it was positive, right? So let's click Tron chart real quick, and I saw that it was positive. So like it still is, right? That's the 2-minute, okay, 15-minute and stuff. I saw that it was positive, but the 200 wasn't positive. So I was like, okay, yeah, this got to go up for a little minute. It's gonna take a little minute or whatever. So let's go ahead and do that. So I scaled up from a 0.07 total to a 0.20 total, 2 sets of a 0.10 in one trade, and you can see it's just now starting to go into profit. Because I had caught it just a little late, so it was going back and forth just a little bit. So that's the move. That's the update on the Tron play I already had in, but now the regular market's open. So now we're gonna just keep making videos while we scalp the 2-minute. We're just gonna keep making videos where we scalp the 2-minute. So we're gonna keep making videos where we scalp the 2-minute. So I'll just keep making a video every time I catch the 2-minute scalp for Nasdaq. So I'm gonna stop this video now so I can just go back to watching regular trading videos or whatnot, interviews and podcasts. That's what I do while I'm trading. So you can see the profits going up 2 cents on each trade. So I have a take profit set for the 15-minute 200 moving average based on investing.com. The highest price level on the 15-minute technicals for Trxusd. I always use the Binance charts when I look at crypto, just so you know when you type it in on when you type in crypto on investing.com, they'll give you 4 different charts to look at. So always click Binance because that's the one I click just from my personal preference for many years. I just realized the Binance one is the most reliable, and most of them are probably reliable as well. But like I said, I just gravitate to Binance. So just in case you're totally new and you want to know exactly what I'm doing, I'm telling you to every detail. I'm looking at the Binance chart on investing.com for any cryptos. That's just the one I automatically click. So as you can see, my negative is starting to go more positive because when the market opened up, it went negative. I'm just stuff when the market opened up, it went negative like 172 total, and now just waiting for it to drop. So we're gonna go back to the Nasdaq chart now. You can see right here the margin available has been going more and more positive. This stuff has been going more positive. So we're gonna stop recording and make this a short video because we're gonna keep coming back and keep letting you know like on the stuff what it is, and so we'll start doing 4 videos where we just kind of keep watching this scalp chart and doing that on tape, just filming us watching it, doing that. But for right now, I'm not gonna just watch it for super long. I'm gonna keep watching it, but not on tape because I want to keep playing the interview I was playing just for motivation and stuff. But yeah, so we're officially in a 2-minute bear market on the Nasdaq, and it matches the hourly bear market anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll be good. So we just pray to God it works, and we're just gonna stay on top of it. So I'll come back later and explain what my mindset is now. But now I'm just thinking more towards like, okay, the only trades I'm gonna hold will be the 15-minute wave for Tron, and that'll be the longest ones I'll be holding because that wave is so slow. It's slow enough to catch it. That's what I was saying when I realized that. I was like, bro, this move is moving slow enough for me to actually catch it. There is no super high volume for the Tron crypto to where it should zip, 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 ping, 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 ping through all the signals. It's not doing that at all. I'm so that's what you do with that one and stuff. You just take it. What happened? Go. You okay? Yeah, we're babysitting. So yeah, the 2-minute you see is going more and more negative. So my entry was like way off or whatever. So I'm waiting for this to go back in profit, and then when this wave is over, I'm out of here. I'm going back into a buy. I'm just gonna scalp the Nasdaq all day, all night until I fall asleep, and then wake up and just scalp it again. And just make scalping the Nasdaq 2-minute chart my day job, and I'll just be holding the 15-minute wave for Tron throughout the day as well. So that's like my weekly check that will, keep giving me more equity to do more Nasdaq scalps. But I'll just be scalping. And eventually I want to get to the point where I have $100 in the account where I can do like a 1 lot. That's 100 trades, 1.00 lot size. And then I'll be able to make like $100 for every 2-minute wave. So that's the goal right there. And just catch the 2-minute wave like 5 to 10 times a day total. Max would be like 20. Like we'll see how many hours it takes to catch 5 2-minute waves, so we can quantify it and see, okay, the 2-minute wave on average when the market's out of volume will be this many hours, and then the the 2-minute wave during market volume hours, London, New York session in the morning would be like whatever, and that would be when I'll just be waking up and getting ready to get into the game. So when I wake up in the morning on the first day, just scalp it for like 12 hours basically, just because this is my life. Like, this is what I do. I'm totally committed and obsessed to this. Like, this is the only thing I want to do for money. So I just keep studying this until I get it right. So I'm gonna go now. Thank you all so much for watching. So just keeping you updated on everything. I guess I will show you investing.com for Tron because the Nasdaq chart is closed after hours. After 4 p.m. Eastern time, it's gonna close. So here we go. Yeah. So 15-minute. Really quickly, 15-minute. I'm gonna go drink some water. 15-minute. Yeah, I walked to the store, walked back. I didn't drink any water before. I poured a cup of water, matter of fact, but I had peroxide in my mouth and I spit it out on the way to the store. So then I drink the water. I meant to spit it out, and then drink the water and take some more process with me on the way, but just messed up the order of operations. So 15-minute oscillators for Tron. We're in a buy, waiting for the strong buy, to say, oh, okay, cool. The 15-minute ADX for Tron went by. Like it was red, it was a sell. So I was watching that like when I took the move. I was like, okay, this ADS is gonna turn red. It's gonna turn from red to green. So for Tron, we could use this 15-minute ADS or whatnot. Just so we know for a fact, like once that ADS switches, and we can take it. So we're gonna wait for 12 green on here. And after 12 green, I have my take profit set for 12 green anyway at 0.12, 300. That's where it was earlier. I set it for like 3.2 or something, so I'll be watching it. It's all good. But it moves so slow. If you fail this one, after knowing what charts is moving on the daily versus the 15-minute oscillators or ADX or whatever, as for Tron, the daily ADX is red. So you're basically bouncing off of the daily ADX versus a smaller ADX. So for this pair, we're going to do the 15-minute ADX versus the daily ADX. So just to show you that real quick, the daily ADX is red. ADX right there. You see it right there, ADX. 27.681 red, sell, boom. So on a daily wave, we're going down. Look at the third moving averages oscillator. It's at a sell. That's where it was at when the 15 minutes started to retrace. So it's on its way to a strong sell and then back to a light sell, which will indicate a strong buy wave on the horizons. So from there, we go back to the 15-minute to look at the 15-minute ADS one more time so you can bounce off of them in your head. You can see, okay, the daily ADX is red, so we're going down on the daily chart. But this 15-minute ADX is a buy, so we have to buy up before we can sell. We want to sell with the daily, but the 15 minutes not selling with the daily right now, so we got to buy with the 15-minute or wait for the 15-minute buy to be over, and then we continue the daily motion. So boom, that's what we're going to do for Tron. So that's a real slow move, takes all day, and it's beautiful because that means we can always catch the wave. If you're a batter, you want the slowest pitcher in the world. You don't want to bat against the fastest pitcher in the world with the fastest fastball, 100 miles an hour. Now you want that 10-mile-an-hour slow ball. That's what you want. So with Tron, I found a 10-mile-per-hour slow ball. Knock it right out the park. You know what I'm saying? You wake up late and catch it. There should be no excuse for you to miss this wave once I explain the waves that are in charge, which are the 15-minute ADX versus the 15-minute ADX wave versus the daily ADX wave. So now we're gonna go back to Trade Locker real quick to close the video out, because at this point we're not worried about Tron. We're just monitoring the oh yeah, for the record, okay, the profit percentages, right? When I started off Friday with $3, I 100% doubled up with Tron with a 0.07. Now I have more than double that. I have double that. That would be 14 plus another 6. So I have 20 in there. So the take profit would be $6 total. So that would be 100% from 3 to 6, and then another 100% from 6 to 12. So I can 100% the account just off of Tron 15-minute waves, basically. Just catching the 15-minute waves on Tron, by just doubling up on the lot sizes every time. I have to scale up every time. So from 7 to 20, and then now that I'm at 20, I'll stick with 20 until I have enough to do 30. So at this point, I'll just scale up by 0.10 until I'm closer to a 0.50. Once I'm at a 0.50, I'll probably stop because they're going to charge me a $7 fee for one lot. So I'm trying to see how much will a one lot get me on a, I have a demo account that I did not get out of those Tron sales. I'm not worried about it, but eventually I'll start scalping them on the demo too. But yeah, I have a bunch of Tron sales for the long term. So I'm trying to think. I got to scalp those too on the demo or whatever. So at this point, with Nasdaq being in no volume mode right now, really, we're just waiting for the 200 to be negative, and then we know the sell is over, and then we're going to buy it up, and we're going to spend all night, try to stay up all night, just scalping it. And so we're going to try to just go hard for the next week and stuff, just go like really hard, sleep as least as we can. get the least amount of sleep as possible. I know it sounds hilarious, right? That sounds hilarious for anybody who's a trader or not, especially if you're not a trader. It sounds even more like, yo, this dude is cracked out. This dude is talking about he wants to go against the biggest banks in the world with no sleep. Like, yes, I could take them on with no sleep. I have a better chance of winning if I'm not asleep. That's the truth. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't need sleep to beat the banks, bro. You know, the banks beat me while I'm sleeping. I have positions open. So now it's more like, nah. All I need is some headphones. This phone won't allow headphones to be plugged in. And the other phone I have, a backup phone, my older phone, the charger broke. So I have to get a new charger. I thought I bought a charger for it, but it was a charger for this phone, you know. And so I just ended up having two chargers for this one phone or whatever. So we're just going to wait and see what's up. We're gonna wait and see what's up. We're gonna wait and see what's up. No. What the fuck? Braylon? Sorry, babysitting. Baby got away. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I knew he was on the other side. Yeah, because I didn't really see him really past me. You see him? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna stop recording. That dude, man. That kid. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to give you all the update. Hmm? Oh, okay. So, I guess. I'll go get the key.
Come on.
So yeah, at this point we're just gonna be watching all night with the scalps. So now I get how I'm gonna do it. So this is my edge right here for the Nasdaq. Just it's gonna be this 2-minute chart. It's gonna be real slow too. I know in the morning time it's gonna be a lot crazier. It's gonna be a lot crazier in the morning, boy. This could be a slow move. Should be hard to miss this one too, because I'm gonna be watching it the whole time. That's why I just watch videos while I'm looking at the chart, especially now that I'm scalping this one. Tron is so boring, so it's like boring is good because that's a slow ball. If you see a boring chart that you don't even want to watch, you just gotta watch that 15-minute chart really, and you good. You catch a 15-minute wave on a boring slow chart that never has high volume, oh, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. So with Tron, I'm just gonna continue to 100%. So let's go to the calculator. I always go to the calculator to figure out what my percentages are and how long not how long, but how many waves I would have to catch for me to make, certain amounts of money. So let's say starting off with $10, right? And we do that by 10. No, not 10, because what I do, I did 100%. Yeah, so that's times 10 is 1,000%. So let's say we have 10 and we just so that's just times 2. So one wave 20, second wave 40, third wave 80, fourth wave 160, fifth wave 320, sixth wave 640, seventh wave 1280, eighth wave 2500, ninth wave 5120, and then the 10th time we'll make 10,000 from just scalping the 15-minute wave. So we just got to scalp the Tron 15-minute wave 10 times consecutively, making 100% per time until we scale up to a point where we are not going to scale up anymore. So I'll stop at like a 0.50 really. So it might take more waves than that to make, the 10,000 or whatever. But so we'll figure it out. So we'll get there. So, but that's a good rough estimate right there. You need to catch 10 waves on Tron based on the 15-minute chart. Catch this 15-minute wave. So all you have to do is catch 10 15-minute waves. That's a full-time job right there. For Tron, we just gotta catch that 15-minute wave. Because when I caught the 15-minute wave down, it was on Friday, and it didn't start to go up until today. So if it takes like one full day, at least 24 hours, and we need to catch 10 waves, that means within 10 days, we can add another 4 days, within 14 days, within 2 weeks, bro. Within 2 standard normal American civilization wheats, right? 2 galactic wheats, bro. Doing 100% on Tron, riding every 15-minute wave up and down. We'll be closer to 10,000, or at least between 1,000 and 5,000. So that's the goal. Video's getting longer. Let's go back to the end it out right here. So we're just waiting for this to drop down, and then we're good. So we have to see. You know, we could be wrong, and it could be the 15-minute wave is going up, and we gotta ride with the 15-minute wave. But I'm thinking within the 15-minute wave, because the 15-minute wave could still be going up, but within that 15-minute wave, we'll be having these 2-minute waves. Like, so if the 15-minute wave is going up, these 2-minute waves will allow us to catch the 15-minute wave up. But right now, we're trying to just have this sell go into profit, and then we can get out when it goes back into a buy. So we got to see what's up on it, you know. So it's always going to be that suspense factor for a while, so we get everything down pat. So let's see what happens. So thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to get ready to upload this right now. Thank you all. Have a great day.